Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix your Jeep Wrangler's rear defroster. A non-functional defroster can be frustrating, especially in cold weather, but many common issues are simple to resolve. We will walk through diagnosing the problem, from checking fuses to repairing broken connections, ensuring you have clear rear visibility. Let's get started and restore your defroster's function. Next, we'll dive into the electrical system. Your defroster relies on a steady flow of electricity, so we need to confirm power is reaching the window. A multimeter is essential here to check for 12 volts at the connection points. Also, don't forget to inspect the defroster relay and all associated wiring for any damage or loose contacts that could interrupt the circuit. A common issue is a broken electrical tab or damaged grid line. For detached tabs, a conductive epoxy kit is your best friend. Carefully clean the surfaces, apply the two-part adhesive, and hold the tab firmly for at least 1 minute. For small breaks in the grid lines, a conductive paint pen can bridge the gap, restoring the heating element's integrity. Once your repairs are complete, patience is key. Allow at least 24 hours for any adhesives to fully cure before testing the defroster. Then, turn it on and observe the window for even clearing. To prevent future issues, always use a soft cloth for cleaning and be mindful of anything that could scratch or damage those delicate defroster lines. Enjoy your clear view.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.